Let's talk about laboratory equipment, the names, and their uses. Following are the categories of laboratory equipments. General laboratory equipments. First one is microscope. It is used for examining cells and microorganisms. Centrifuge. It is used for separating blood components, like DNA or other fluids by density. Pipette and micropipette. It is used for liquid handling, in case of small volume. Incubator. It is used for maintaining optimum temperature, for microbial or cell culture. Autoclave. It is used for sterilization of equipments, using high-pressure steam. Hot plates and stirrers. It is used for heating and mixing liquids. Laboratory water baths. It is used for maintaining constant temperature for samples. Laboratory balance and scale. It is used for measuring precise weight of samples. Hematology and blood analysis equipment of medical laboratory are hematology analyzer. It is used for counting blood cells, for example, WBC/RBC platelets. Blood gas analyzers of medical laboratory, used for measuring pH, oxygen and CO2 in blood. Coagulation analyzer of medical laboratory, used for testing the blood clotting time, PT and APTT. ESR analyzer. It is used for measurements of erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Hemoglobin meter. It is used to quantify hemoglobin levels. Clinical chemical analyzers in medical laboratory are biochemistry analyzer. Is used for testing glucose, enzymes, cholesterol, electrolytes. Spectrophotometer. It is used for measuring absorbance of chemical substances. Electrolytes analyzer is used for assessing sodium, potassium, and chlorine levels. ELISA reader is used for detecting antibodies or antigens, such that HIV or hepatitis. Microbiology and pathology equipment in medical laboratory are microbiology incubator, is used for growing bacteria and fungi. PCR machine. It is used to amplify DNA for genetic testing. Gel electrophoresis system is used for separation of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Biosafety cabinet. It is used to protect from biohazards. Microplate reader. It is used for analyzing assays in 96 well plates. Gram stainers is used for differentiating bacterial types. Blood culture system, used for detecting microbial growth in blood. Urinalysis and fluids testing equipment of medical laboratory are urine analyzer, used for testing pH, proteins, glucose, ketones. Urine microscopic test, used for detecting cells, crystal, bacteria. Fecal analyzer is used for checking parasites in stools, occult blood test. Immunology and serology equipment in medical laboratory are ELISA washer and reader. It is used for detecting antigens and antibodies. Western blot system is used for detecting proteins. Flow cytometer, it is used to analyze cell population, for example, CD4 count in HIV. Molecular diagnostics and genetic equipment in medical laboratory are real-time PCR. It is used for quantify DNA and RNA, for example, COVID-19 testing. DNA sequencer, it is used for genomic analysis. Microarray scanner, it is used for gene expression profiling. Histology and cytology equipment in medical laboratory are microtom, used for cutting thin tissue sections. Tissue processor, it is used for preparing samples for embedding. Cryostats is used for freezing and sections of tissue. Staining station, it is used for applying dyes, H&E, gram stain. Cytocentrifuge is used for preparing cells for microscopy. Point-of-care testing equipment in medical laboratory are glucose meter, it is used for diabetes monitoring. Rapid test kits is used for pregnancy, strep throat, malaria. Portable blood analyzer, it is used for emergency situations. Laboratory information system, it contains data management software for tracking samples, results, and patient software.